Using the email from Go High Level can be tricky because you are not allowed to have a profile picture. So your email campaigns look very scammy, very sketchy, you don't look trustful, and it will be very useful for you to have a profile picture inside your email campaigns. That's why you're here. I'm going to teach you right now how to go from this to this within 5 minutes. So what are we gonna do right now? And the basic things you'll need is a SIM card, or well, a virtual SIM, or the phone that you're gonna connect, because you will need to create a Gmail account. Okay. And the other thing is you'll need to have the dedicated domain here inside Go High Level. So that's what we're gonna do right now. If some parts you already did, then you can skip the video to whatever you like. Okay, so right now what we're gonna do is we're gonna create a dedicated domain. That's okay. Okay, so create dedicated domain. Right now, you're gonna have your own dedicated header, dedicated domain. All right. This is very important because this will be the email that you're sending right now. Okay, so if you're in this video, you already have this, but the thing is that you're not getting anything, a profile picture within the configuration. All right. So I'd like to do this before, so I'm gonna set header. Okay, so you're gonna verify. Once it's pretty good, everything is successful, then you are gonna have, okay, verify the domain status. Okay, that's okay. Let me do this and verify domain. Okay, this might be a bug, something. It doesn't matter, but now you should have this. Okay, verify domain. Oh, okay. This is just a test, so it doesn't matter, right? But what you're gonna do is right now you're gonna go to a guest profile within Google, like this, open guest profile. I already have one, and you're gonna create a Gmail account. Okay, so you're gonna log in, create account for personal use. Account. Just filling the details, whatever, but you should keep this. And then you're gonna set, I have an existing email account. You're gonna click that, and you're gonna go and copy exactly what you have, which is gonna be this. You're gonna click and next, and then you're gonna verify it. So you can go to your conversations tab. Okay, the email should arrive. Verify your email address. That's why you have to you'll need the dedicated domain first, because you're gonna need this code. Then you're gonna create a password, and you're gonna need to verify your phone. That's why your phone number. That's why you have a SIM. But if you have your company phone number, well, you won't need that. Next, and next, and that's it. That's pretty much it. Then you go accept, whatever. And let me just do this. I'm gonna send an email with this, an email campaign with the current setup. And I'm gonna send it. Now I'm gonna show you how it is that's doing right now. Okay, so now, look, this was the email I just got. This is how you have things going right now, right? So we're gonna go from this, look, no profile picture, and I'm gonna show you how to change it. So this was the mail, right? No profile picture, hello, this is a test, whatever. Right now what we're gonna do is we're gonna put a profile picture. So we go here, we go to this, edit, we're gonna add a profile picture from computer. Just gonna add this. Great. Next, save as profile picture. Now we have a profile picture. Okay, we don't have a Gmail account, but we can create one. So if you go here, this might help you. This, you can create a Gmail account that redirects their email to your dedicated domain. well, that's up to you, but you have the option. Okay, so now we have our profile picture, and we're gonna do the same test again. Okay, now we're gonna test this live. This is my, let me see, all inboxes. Okay, this is it. This is what we have been sending. All right, test, no profile picture, and no profile picture here. All right, but now we're gonna send test email to another email that I have in this account, and let me show you right now. And look at the profile picture. Okay, you see, this is the magic. Okay, so we went from looking very sketchy to having a profile picture. Look, not everybody have a profile picture, so this will really be this is beautiful, bro. Like, this is, I'm sorry for my English, but this is what I can do, and I just figured out to make this tutorial and help you guys because I think this is very interesting, very useful, very. This profile picture, the one inside the email, is gonna be like updated within 2 hours, 3 hours from this setup. But once you finish this, you give it a day or something, every campaign you send from the email. Okay, I'm gonna leave you. I'm gonna leave you guys my. I'm gonna leave you guys my Instagram. Go follow me. Let's connect and let's have some discussions on how we can benefit each other with Go High Level tips and tricks and whatever. Okay. See you, and I hope this was very useful for you.